video. I'm here at Victoria Park and I'm going to show you those lantern decoration because of the Mid-Autumn Festival, guys. So let's go. Ganyan kadami yung tao, guys, so na nagpipila kasi today's Sunday and then this one is open like 6:30. Ayan, ganyan kadami. And meron pa dito sa area na to, guys. It's another work of art from the student here in Hong Kong again. Ayan. Ang galing nila, guys. Ayan. Ayun. This one is made of crepe pepper. You know the crepe pepper, guys. Ayun. Ayan. Ayan. Fish. Ito yung maganda, guys. So, galing ng gumawa nito. Wow. Ayan, mga arts from those students here. Ayan yun, may nakasabit sa taas din. Ayan. Guys. And yun. And this one is so cute. Ito ang ganda, guys. So, ayan. Ang galing ng gumawa. Wow. And this one, ayan. Yung symbolizes ng the peak, you know. Yung the peak building. Ayan. And in this area, guys, they have this type of decoration here. Ayan. I think this one is a work of arts. Ayan. Ayan, guys. And, yan. It's a work of arts from those kids here in Hong Kong. Yeah. And this one is a bird. And yeah, parang aquarium siya, guys. And this one is lantern. And ang galing nila, guys. Oh, ito ang maganda. Yan. Yun. Ang galing ng mga arts nila. Yan. They showcase the arts of the student here in Hong Kong. Yeah. Ayun, may lantern dyan sa taas. Ayan. And guys. Ayan. And over here also they have like this. Ayan. Ang galing nila, guys. Ang cute. So, this is the first display, guys. They have this Hello Kitty cat display. Ayan. Because this is symbolizes the Hong Kong lucky. Yan. Yung cat. And they have those fish also. Ayan. Fish din yan, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda. And in the front, they have those lantern balls. Ayan. And dito sa side, ito yung side niya, guys. Ayan. Ayan yung side niya, guys. Still same. Ayan. And may mga nakasabit na Christmas lights. Ayan. And in the other side, yung mga lantern naman yung namin.
A few moments later.
And so pretty this one, guys, is 25 because it's 25 years anniversary here in Hong Kong. So they have this decoration, guys, here at Victoria Park. So ito yung display dito, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda. And at night, kitang-kita mo yung lights. Ayan. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan. And there's a star. Ayan siya, guys. And ito naman yung other side niya, guys. And you can see there's a fish there. Ayan. And a star also. Ayan. Ito siya, guys. Ayan. Ang ganda na. Makikita mo yung lights na pag ganitong oras na tumingkad na yung lights, guys. Ayan. Hi, guys. Ayan. Dito ako sa may Victoria Park to see the lantern lights because of autumn. So, I'm here, guys. Samahan niyo ko. Explore natin yung mga lantern. They have this also, decoration here. Ayan. Like pagoda. Ayan. Tapos may umiikot doon sa taas, guys, na decoration. And sa side niya, mga different zodiac sign animals is horse and snake. Horse at saka snake yung nandito sa side niya guys. Same sila even at the front yan. Ganyan yung style niya guys. Ang ganda. And dito naman sa side na to guys is about the cats. Cats, lantern, and heart. Ayan. Ang ganda guys. All over the side, you can see some cats, decoration, and heart in the middle. Ayan. Ang ganda niya tignan guys. Ayan. Ang cute. Ayan no. Ito yung pinakikit guys. Yung po, yung itsura niya. Ang cute. Ayan. Lalo yung isa guys. I'm going to take video the other one. Ayan. This is the cutest cat guys. Ayan. Nakatulog siya. Ang cute niya guys. Ayan. Yung isa naman doon, naghahanhan siya. Hanya. Ayan yung isa naman doon, nag-welcome yung hanya. Dalawang kamay niya. And ganito naman yung makikita mo dito sa side na ito guys, yung area na to is a different type of animals. Over there is they have the horse, butterfly, chicken, rabbit, and fish in the top. Wow! Ayan guys, ayan. Ang cute, ang ganda. Even in the floor guys, ayan. Ang ganda siya. Ayan. And over here guys, this is the decoration. It's a cat also. This is the Lucky Cat display here in Hong Kong. Yan. And there's a fish here. Fish on dito guys na lantern. Ayan. So ang ganda guys. Ayan. And they have this decoration guys is a boat. Ayan. Boat siya guys na may mga cartoon character in the top. Ayun. Ito siya guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. Inji Pop. Si Inji Pop yan guys. Nasa taas. Ayun. Ang cute niya guys. And back to back siya guys. Ganito yung design niya. Even at the other side. Ganito rin siya guys. And in this side naman guys, they have this fish decoration, fish lantern. Ayan. Ayan yung taas is lights, fish lights. And yun, may lucky koi fish, different color of fish. Ayan, it's so pretty guys. Ayan. Until there, ayan. Ito yung maganda guys, those lanterns, ayan, they are moving, ayan, because of the wind. Ang ganda guys, ang gandang tignan, no, ayan. Different color, tignan nyo naman, ang ganda, ganda.
Like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected on that summer afternoon.
And in this side guys, they have the flower lights on the floor. Ayan. And at the top, they have the lovebirds decoration. Ayan. There's a lovebird. Ayan.
Wow.
And even in the other side, in this side guys, is all lovebird and flowers at the floor. Ayan. Ito yung decoration dito guys. And there's a bird also even there. Ayan.
A few moments later.
And ito yung parang pinaka-highlight dito guys na decoration nila for Mid-Autumn Festival. Ayan. It's a different lantern and doon sa gilid niya guys, yung alam nyo yung ano, yung stripe bag, they use yun. Stripe bag yun. Different color of stripe bag. Ayan siya guys. And dito sa may seaside guys, ganito yung decoration. There's a lantern and there's a logo there of Victoria Harbor. Ayan guys. And ang cute nito guys is a rabbit. Ayan. Made of, you know this one guys is made of the mineral bottle. Yung mineral water, bottle. Yan, dinisign nila to become like this. Ayan, ang ganda. Ganda guys. This is the decoration also here at the One Chai at Dalitong Avenue guys. Ayan. That's for Mid-Autumn Festival. Ito yung decoration nila guys.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가.
Ayan guys, so duman ako dito sa may One Chai. Drop by so that I can see the lights. Yan, here. Yan. Ayan siya guys. Ayan yung lights. So, yun, sa likod ko yan. Ayan siya guys. So yun guys, that is the end of my video and thank you for watching and happy Mid-Autumn Festival to all and I hope you see you again on my next vlog and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys!